exports have tripled in just 4 years, defying global headwinds. But as Indian tech talent fuels growth abroad, a proposed H-1B visa overhaul in the US threatens to shake up the game. Meanwhile, back home, India is weaving a new success story in textiles, aiming to double the exports by 2030. You have tuned into SME this week with me, Swati Bajpayee, and these are the top stories of this episode. Despite global tariff wars and geopolitical turbulence, India's MSMEs are powering through with record growth. A new study by SME rating agency Samera shows exporting MSMEs have registered a threefold jump from just over 52,000 units in 2020-21 to more than 1.73 lakh in 2024-25. Exports too have soared from 3.95 lakh crore rupees to 12.39 lakh crore rupees in just 4 years. Micro and small enterprises are leading the charge, making up 91% of exporting units and contributing 60% of MSME export value. The rating agency also says this resilience highlights the ingenuity and innovation of India's MSMEs, which today produce over 6,000 products for global markets and account for nearly a third of the country's GDP. In short, small enterprises are making big waves even in the roughest global waters. Big changes could be coming for Indian tech workers in the US. The Trump administration is moving to overhaul the H-1B visa program. A new rule proposed scrapping the current lottery system and instead giving preferences to higher skilled and better paid foreign workers. This comes just days after a White House order introducing a hefty $1 lakh annual fee for H-1B visas. The US Department of Homeland Security warns that over 5,000 small businesses could face disruptions, while tech and outsourcing companies may struggle to bring in talent from India and China. The administration argues the changes will push wages higher, rising from $502 million in 2026 to $2 billion a year by 2029, and protect Americans from unfair competition. The H-1B program, capped at 85,000 visas a year, is vital for US tech firms, with India as the biggest beneficiary. But critics warn that the fee hike and wage-linked selection could disrupt thousands of small businesses and spark workforce shortages. For now, it is a proposal, but if implemented, this could be one of the biggest overhauls of America's skilled visa program, raising costs, cutting options, and reshaping how global talent flows in the US. India is stitching together a bold plan, doubling its textile exports by 2030, with a big push on sustainability and global trade access. A high-level Indian delegation led by Textile Secretary Neelam Shami Rao is in London this week to showcase India's strength across the textile value chain and deepen trade ties with the UK. On day one, the team held a textile roadshow and sectoral meetings with leading UK buyers in handicrafts, handlooms, and carpets. India is already the fourth largest textile exporter to the UK, shipping $2.16 billion worth in 2024-2025, making up 6.6% of the UK's imports. Officials highlighted India's unique blend of heritage craftsmanship, modern scale, and sustainability initiatives, stressing resilient and transparent supply chains that match global consumer demand. The newly signed India-UK Comprehensive Economic and Trade Agreement is expected to open fresh opportunities, boosting exports, joint investments, and positioning Indian textiles more strongly in the UK market. And with that, it's a wrap on this episode of SME This Week. You stay tuned to SME Futures. I'll see you next week, same time, same day.